3.
For question 3, we're asked to consider this question. We have a large candy dish with a 30-inch diameter that's placed in the center of a banquet table. The innermost circle is 10 inches across and is completely filled with Snickers. Well, that actually sounds like my kind of bowl. All right, so let's look at that inner circle, and that's going to be 10 inches all the way across. So half of that is going to be 5 inches. So the radius is 5. That's the innermost circle. Now the next ring has a 20-inch diameter and is filled with Butterfingers. So we'll go from the center out in this direction all the way across is going to be 20. So half of that is going to be 10. For a radius of this circle here, the radius would be 10. Diameter is 20. Now the outermost ring is filled with Milky Ways. And it tells us up here that the candy dish is 30 inches in diameter. So all the way across is 30. Then halfway across, it's going to be from here to here, is going to be 15. All right, so we want to know what the probability of randomly selecting a Snickers is from the dish. All right, so we're looking at the circle where the Snickers are. The radius is 5 because the diameter was given as 10. The area of the circle is pi r squared, and we said the radius is 5, so the area of this circle with the Snickers in it is going to be 5 squared times pi. I'm going to leave it in an exact amount, so I won't substitute 3.14. 5 squared is 25, so the area of that inner circle with the Snickers is 25 pi. All right, now the total area of the circle, I'm going to switch my pen to blue. So if we look at this entire circle, the radius of that from the inner to the outer is 15. So the area of the big circle is pi times the radius, which is 15 squared, and that's equal to 225 pi. So we want to compare the circle with the Snickers in it. That area is 25 pi over the total area, which is 225 pi. The pi's cancel out. 25 divided by 225 is equal to 0.111 repeating. So I'm going to round that to, or I'll write it like this, 0.1 repeating. Or we can write it as 11%. Okay? So that's the answer for A. We want to know the probability for part B of randomly selecting a Butterfinger from the dish. Now the Butterfinger is going to be this part. So let's find the area of this entire circle. And we said that the radius is going to be this here, 10, because we said the next ring has a 20-inch diameter, half of that was 10. So the total area is pi times the radius, which is 10 squared, or 100. 10 times 10 is 100 pi. But we've got to subtract this that has the Snickers in it, which we've already found that area up here. 100 minus 25 is 75. Okay, that gives us this ring right here with the Butterfingers in it. All right, we're going to put that over the total area, which we calculated earlier as 225. Get your calculator out. 75 divided by 225 is 0.3 repeating. We can write it like this, or you can write it as 33%. Either way, because the pi's cancel out.